Pause the video to work on these problems. When you're done, unpause the video to take a look at the answers and the solutions. Pause the video to take a look at the answers or keep playing the video to see the solutions. Before we start solving the problems, let's first review the steps for subtracting mixed numbers using this method. So the first step is to stack the numbers. The second step is to subtract the fractional parts. And if the top fraction is smaller than the bottom fraction, then we regroup the numbers and convert the mixed number into an improper fraction. And the last step is to subtract the wholes. Let's now start solving these problems. So the first problem is 8 and 7/12 minus 3 1/2. The first step I'll take is to stack these two numbers. So 8 and 7/12 minus 3 1/2. The second step is to subtract the fractional part. So 7/12 minus 1/2. The common denominator for this is 12. So 7/12 minus 1/2 is the same as 7/12 minus 6/12, and that is equal to 1/12. So I'll write that here. And 8 wholes minus 3 wholes equals 5 wholes. So the answer to this is 5 and 1/12. The second problem is 12 and 2/9 minus 7 and 5/12. So I'll first stack the two numbers. Minus 7 and 5/12, and then I will subtract the fractional parts. So 2/9 minus 5/12. The common denominator for 9 and 12 is 36. So 2/9 is the same as 8/36 because I'm multiplying the denominator and the numerator by 4. And 5/12 is the same as 15/36. But 8/36 is smaller than 15/36, so I'm going to borrow a whole from here, and I will have 11 wholes left here, and this becomes 1 and 2/9. So 1 and 2/9 is the same as 1 and 8/36. And when I convert it into an improper fraction, 1 times 36 is 36 plus 8 is 44. So this is 44/36. And then I will subtract the two fractions. So 44/36 minus 15/36 equals 29/36. So this is 29/36, and 11 wholes minus 7 wholes is 4 wholes. So the answer to this is 4 and 29/36. The next problem is 125 and 5/8 minus 6 and 2/5. So let me stack the two numbers, and 5/8 minus 6 and 2/5. We will then subtract the fractional parts. So 5/8 minus 2/5. The common denominator is 40. So 5/8 is the same as 25/40, and 2/5 is the same as 16/40. And when I subtract the two, I am left with 9/40. So this is 9/40, and 125 minus 6 is 119. So the answer to this is 119 and 9/40. The next problem is 127 1/2 minus 12 1/2. So let me first stack the two numbers. When I subtract the fractional parts, I have nothing left because half minus half is 0. And I'm moving on to the whole numbers. So 127 minus 12 is 115. So this turned out to be a fairly straightforward problem. So the answer to this is 115. We solved the same 4 problems using 2 different methods. I urge you to look at both these methods and decide for yourself which one you prefer.